I have something that's going to add to everyone's entrance. I'm going to cast thaumaturgy. It's a cantrip that I have, and I'm going to create harmless tremors in the ground so that the entire world is rumbling as we enter.
You mean wumbling?
The entire world is rumbling as we enter the building.
The whole world is wumbling as we enter the building.
And then when we come in, we say, "Hello, princess."
Hello, princess.
Hello, princess. Daddy,
Hello, princess.
Alrighty, you, dear Lord Jiro, we
What
haven't
is
heard
Jiro
from
doing?
you.